I'm really pregnant. You can congratulate me now.
Polly, I was not born yesterday.
I wasn't born yesterday. I see the way you look at that Luke guy.
Occurred.
Mr. Goodlander, I may be new, but I wasn't born yesterday.
I wasn't born yesterday. It means I'm not naive or easily fooled. For example, if someone is trying to deceive you, you can say, don't lie to me. I wasn't born yesterday.
Right.
Now, we are in a pickle, but I only see one way out of it.
Looks like they worked in a pickle shop.
That is true.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in a pickle and I really need your help. Who is
When we say someone is in a pickle, we mean they are in a difficult or tricky situation. For example, I forgot my wallet, so I am in a pickle.
to us?
Can you put yourself in my shoes for 1 second?
Just put yourself in my shoes for 1 second. You are a liability.
You put yourself in my shoes.
Put yourself in my shoes. This means you should try to imagine how I feel or what my situation is like. For example, please put yourself in my shoes before you judge me.
Wake up and smell the coffee, Mr. LaRusso.
Gino, wake up and smell the coffee.
Wake up and smell the coffee, which means to realize the truth or pay attention to what is happening. For example, wake up and smell the coffee. We are running out of time.